the show?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Awesome.
Oh, good. Where are you guys from?
From Oklahoma.
Oh, Oklahoma, cool. You enjoying the cruise? Yeah? Really? Well, this is really cool then, I think. Yeah. What did you guys do so far?
Everything.
Yeah?
Awesome.